Now for the CFD 2019 release. Now with all subscriptions with CFD 2019, you will now have access to Fusion 360. Fusion 360 is a platform which allows multiple engineering processes to be designed, maintained, and submitted to CFD. In this simplification model, I can take a model that already existed inside CAD, and I can simplify it, allowing me to remove chamfers, fillets, holes, or whatever is necessary for me to fulfill a simulation study. All I have to do is double-click the model that I've created inside of my folder in Fusion 360. When I'm in the modeling environment, I'll next go down to Simulation and select Simplify Model. This will launch a simulation workspace which allows me to make changes that are separate from my CAD information, so I don't have to worry about messing up my CAD information for manufacturing as opposed to simulation. Once I've simplified my model on the ribbon, I now have access to directly launch the CFD 2019. All I'll do is I'll go up to the CFD 2019 option and select Simulate in CFD. This is going to launch the Design Study Manager, which will allow me to either create a new design study or to update an existing design study in which I might want to replace geometry. All I have to do in this example is give it a study name, a design name, scenario, and then locate the path where I want to store the files. Simply hit Launch, and it will launch CFD 2019. Once I'm in CFD 2019, I now have a fully imported Fusion 360 model, which will allow me to continue and run any sort of simulation which I need to see results for.